soulmates sitting at the back. Welcome, all of you. I'm glad you could come today, knowing that it's such an important day for you all. But I just wanted to say, even for my religion, it's a very important day for us. And the beauty about today is to be able to meet with people whom you really love and the relationships you've made over the years. So thank you so much for being here. Everybody knows my name, everybody knows what I do, and quickly I'll tell you that this particular workshop, building relationships or relationship management, is very close to my heart because I'm also a counselor, and this is something I have learned over the years and have studied over the years. And the reason I wanted to address this topic because this is a topic which I think each one of us needs to know how to deal with. It is a topic which, if you don't know much about, just the way we don't know much about parenting and we are parents, we don't know how to be great wives and great sisters and all the relationships we don't know, we just learned and grew. But for people who know how it functions and how it works, it makes it easier for them. It makes it easier for the people who are around them. So today's topic is relationship management, and there are certain prerequisites to relationships. This is something which is most important because अगर आपको वो चीज़ें नहीं पता जो एक रिलेशनशिप को सही डायरेक्शन पे लेके जाती है, so chances are you will not be able to have a great rapport with the people you are meeting up with. So today's topic, like I said, relationship management. So we all know that human beings are social animals. You believe it or not? Yes. If I ask you to keep a Maun Vrat for one day, you know what a Maun Vrat is? You're not allowed to speak for one day. You feel edgy, you feel irritated because you can't communicate, you get angry, you get frustrated. So, similarly, relationships are very important, and it is important that we understand that if we do not communicate with each other, we are social beings, we cannot exist. We have to communicate, okay? But the question is, how do you communicate, right? So, people are much more lonelier, they are much more dissatisfied, they are much more unhappy than they used to be in this 21st century. Life has become much more difficult. Why has it become difficult is another question, because we are more knowledgeable as human beings, but we still can't make things work right for us. So that is why I feel that the prerequisites is most important. Okay? So a few people here know the first prerequisite very well, Ms. Sultana, of course. What I want you to do is just bear in mind somebody you have a problem getting along with when I'm telling you this. Just think of a person who you feel that, I'm sure all of us have come here because we want our relationships to work better. So think of one person in your life who you have a problem in a relationship with. It could be your colleagues, it could be your spouses. I hope the teachers don't have me in their mind, but you have people you have problems with. There's some people who just get you so irritated. You don't want to see their faces. You think all they're about is discussing you or your family or so on and so forth. But we have to realize one prerequisite. Okay? Now this is you. ये आप हैं. ये शख्स यहाँ पे आप हैं. Okay? ये आपका सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस है, जो लोग आपकी जिंदगी में आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं, राइट? तो आप हैं, सबसे पहले आपको बचपन में किसने इन्फ्लुएंस किया जिसका आप बहुत सोचते थे और अभी भी सोचते हैं? That's your parents and your brothers and sisters and your siblings. So out of a parent, you could have a parent who was abusive, you could have a parent who was always angry, a parent who always wanted to maintain a distance from you, not letting you come close to the person. So there are all kinds of parents in this world, there are all kinds of siblings which affect you. समझ ही नहीं आती, right? Then you have your children. उनको वही चीज आपने बोला 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 पर वो सुधरे ही नहीं. उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने फादर का वो चीज अपने जेनेटिक कोड में उनके वो है. Like for example, गुस्सा. Some children throw a fit and they throw a fit in a supermarket and they get the whole supermarket looking at you and you're wondering कि क्या हो गया इसको. Okay? मैं तो ऐसी नहीं हूँ. कहीं से वो चीज आए हैं. Okay? So with parents, with even your own parents, sometimes you wonder, why is Abba like this? Why is Amma like this? Why is she so subdued and submissive and she always acts bichari? Why can't she stand up for herself? So it's all because of these influences, and we need to understand we carry our own sanskars. Okay, all of us carry our own sanskars. The second thing I need to talk to you about, have you understood the first point? If you haven't, just raise your hand and we'll come back to it. You haven't understood? Yes. You've understood. Okay, great. Next is react and respond. कितने लोग react करते हैं, पूरा दिन खराब हो जाता है, पूरा हफ्ता खराब हो जाता है, पूरा साल खराब हो जाता है. You know what react is? What is reaction? A spontaneous action. देखा था, पर इस सेंचुरी में वो चीज नहीं करती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप अपनी बच्ची को बड़ा कर रही हैं, ठीक है, आप उसको बोलती हैं 7:30 बजे घर आ जाना. वो बोलती है नहीं मामा मेरी पार्टी है आज, सारी मेरी फ्रेंड्स जा रही हैं. आप बोलोगे नहीं, लेट होगी थी, हमको 7:30 बजे घर में आना होगा था. आपकी और उस बच्ची की अनबन हो जाती है. पर आपको ये भी रियलाइज करना है कि इस 15 से 20 साल में क्या चीजें फर्क हो गई है. बच्चियां जा रही है, मे बी आप उनको ड्रॉप करें, आप उनको पिक करें, पर वो फ्रीडम अब जो आपको लगता है इतनी बड़ी फ्रीडम है कि बच्चों के लिए कुछ नहीं. So you have your expectations built on the way you were raised, not realizing that times have changed and there has to be a little more lenient. Not much, but a little more. Time is coming. Same as other children being around us, right? Alright. Next one. बहुत important है ये. Watch your words. Your words are everything. Your words are what makes you or it makes you. Alfaz. खूबसूरत लैंग्वेज है उर्दू. आप लोगों के लिए I think you're so blessed with your language. But some words like this full of gratitude. What we have to think is, do we use those words for the relationships which matter the most to us? Or you use those words for your guests or people walking on the street when they wish you would them back? How many of you make it a conscious effort to wish your child in the morning when your child wakes up? या पहली चीज एक चीज होती है, थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दैट. पहली चीज एक चीज होती है कि उनको अपना स्कूल जाना है हो रहा है, राइट. Kiss her on the forehead and say good morning. Wake up, let's go to school. Okay? Or similarly with the husband. वो वापस चले गए नहा धोके, बैठे नाश्ते के लिए आपने नाश्ता दे दिया, खुदा हाफिज. वो पहला अल्फाज होता है मुझसे जब वो बंदा खा रहा होता है. But how many times have you greeted him in the morning? You talked to him nicely, asked him how his night was, he had a good night's sleep. And this is what it is. बहुत बार हमारे माँ बाप के साथ भी हमारी हम कुछ और बोल देते हैं और फिर वो बहुत बुरा लगता है आखिर में कि I spoiled my mother's day because I was so rude to her. I wish I had been nice to her. We repent later. Because we're basically good people. We repent later after what we have said to the people we love. Let's go right low. Go back home and have a good cup of coffee and now be seated. Thank you so much.